All right, I've got these and twice as many of these probably that are all dried out. I really like to reuse them right away. So after I throw, I leave that pad on, but at some point you're just done. And if you don't scrape them when they're leather hard, you get stuck with this. So I'm cleaning them off, and I just wanted to show you, I scrape to the diagonal. Then you just have run into fewer problems. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be doing here, but I'm going to get into a rhythm and find efficiency. So whenever you're working in any kind of production, there's always easier ways, more efficient ways, faster ways. So I'm just kind of in the zone where I'm ready for that to happen. Like maybe I'll figure out how to hold my sponge in my hand and get that same sponge 2 or 3 times before I put it down. That would save some time. Okay, let's see this time if we can figure out a way to keep the sponge in hand. So, like, keep everything in hand. Keep the scraper in hand, keep the sponge in hand. That is chonky. Okay, so, yep, okay, scrape it off, use my tool to pick it up. The scraper was really good for that. To pick up the next one, let's see here, I didn't need it, this one. Yeah, look at how much faster that just got, huh? Scrape, scrape. And if they're tight at all, there's actually a nice production way for me to do that. I'll show you at the end. That one fits perfectly. In and out. Not cool. Just kind of figure stuff out along the way. So I call it production mindset, because you're just kind of like looking for smoother, faster, better, easier, more fluid, more of a dance. So nice. It's like being in the zone. Don't brag too fast. I'm like making a big mess here. Okay. But I'm going to handle it one more time as I clean their edges. But yeah, I don't want to be leaving a big mess for my future self here. So yeah, one thing that comes out of production mindset is fewer times picking up and putting down tools. That is a big help. If you're already like kind of cranking out some pots and you're ready to take it to the next level, try not to put your tools down if you don't have to. Keep putting them down and picking them up. And I have like a little goal for myself that I only pick up, other than maybe the sponge, that I only pick up a tool once and put it down during the making up a pot. That's just a little game I play with myself. Since I'm alone all the time, I gotta play with myself. Okay. Got my toothbrush games, I got my shower games, I got my glazing games, I got my material weighing games, I got my every kind of game. It's fun. It's actually a little bit harder if I'm like thinking about it, like trying to explain to you what I'm doing versus just doing it, and then my body, I'll just figure it out, and then later I can be like, oh, this is what I did. I probably am pretty aware of things like not putting down that sponge. That was a conscious choice that I made to not put down the sponge anymore. And that was a real game changer with this one. But sometime in the past, I figured this thing about scraping on the diagonal, and that one, like, I'll never forget that. I always scrape to the diagonal. for that time, except for when it doesn't work. Always. Gotta be careful of those superlatives. There's always a superlative. Extreme words. Careful of extreme words. Okay, come on out. Another notch. Here we go. Okay, just a couple more. So nice to do this because I can't stand it when it's time for me to throw again. And I have like all these bats with a bone dry pad on there that I have to deal with. No good. Not good. Okay, last two it feels like. This last two. Whoop. And then we'll clean the edges and then we'll be done. Some of this water. Recycling. Last one. Okay, great. Okay, so now let's clean you up. Everybody, everything. Let's pop this out. And clean that. Great. And whoop, I can get this a little more friendly. That's a game. Okay, so now last thing is going to be to grab a stack of these, line them up, and clean their edges. Come on. Oh, when they're wet, they're a little harder to deal with. Maybe just this. Yes. See, that was one of those things. When they're drier, it's really easy to scrape them. It's just like boom, boom, boom. But these, that was so cool. Did you see that happen? I figured out a better way, just like I was trying to. The theme of the video. It happened right here, folks. Okay. So we have 2 more rounds here. So actually this is even a little bit easier because with the scraping, they all have to be perfectly aligned, otherwise you missed it. You miss one. But here they can be a little offset. Doesn't really matter. The sponge is malleable and the scraper is not. Okay, last one. Very nice. Oh, my future self loves me right now. I'm the best past self she ever had. All right. And I was also thinking, would it be easier to do it this? Yes, than on the side? Because normally I'm scraping, so I have to do the side. But now, a whole new game here. A whole new situation. Yes. These are so nice for me for the future. Yay. Okay. That's all. That's all for today. Show me your efficiency.